green beans almondine. I don't know if anybody in your family used to make the green bean casserole with the cream of mushroom soup.
Well, we would do our own riff on it, but yeah.
Yes, and the fried onions that you buy at the store on top. So this is a fresher, lighter version, and Mom's happy for me to take her dishes and elevate them. She doesn't mind at all.
No, of course not.
I'll eat
They're
her
tasty.
box stuffing, and then I'll make everything else.
Right.
I love you, Mom. I swear I do. But I'll cook in your kitchen. You just relax. So all we do on Thanksgiving is cook, nap, and eat together. I mean, what else do you normally do?
That's the game plan.
So this is almonds. This is a little bit of me being a chefy, you know, green beans almondine, which is so delicious. So almonds instead of the mushroom soup. Shallots, we're really gonna pair the shallots that are sauteed, and then the crispy shallots, which we can't keep our hands off of.
I ate so many of them already.
And I say we, and I mean Rachael.
Like, you can buy the onions in a can, and that's fine.
But this is the part that everybody loves.
So
These
good.
Crispy, crunchy onions, and I just take a little pot of oil on the stove, put them in until they're this color. I mean, they're just delicious. And you want crunch, you want texture.
They're ridiculous. Look at that.
Look at that.
So gorgeous. So listen.
How beautiful that is. So these are some of the dishes that my mom used to make, or still does. But we're going to elevate. There she is.
Look.
There's
Mom.
Kathy.
Hi.
She loves a good shake and burgers. So she usually, and I'm sure you have a family member that does this, they make sweet potatoes with marshmallow on top.
Yes, they do.
It's not awful. But
I mean, our family, that was common at friends' homes.
Yes.
You know, my family made more orange squash-based things.
Okay.
Sweet potato things. Not so much with the marshmallows with the Italians.
Right, exactly.
Right.
Well, it's funny. Oh, sorry. It's funny
okay.
because my mom, her maiden name's Grazioli.
Oh.
So she's a little bit Italian.
She sure is.
Italian, Irish, German. We like to eat and drink. I mean, come on, who doesn't?
You're applauding. You like to eat and drink. And they're like,
right?
So what?
I mean, and that's what this holiday is all about. So, you know, my mom and dad always worked. They were busy, busy people. So they used a lot of conveniences. So when it came to Thanksgiving, there were a lot of conveniences. So the sweet potato gets mashed butter, milk, like normal.
Warm butter and milk, normal.
But then, instead of marshmallow, we make meringue now.
Oh, that's hot.
I mean, come on. That is, so we just put it in our quote-unquote casserole dish.
Right.
And then we have egg whites that we started to whip up, and then we put some confectioner sugar, some cream of tartar. Did you know confectioner sugar has cornstarch in it? Did you know that?
I did not, but that makes sense, and that makes total sense. Right?
That's what helps hold things
That's what helps
together.
everything come together.
Yes, a little science. I'm a little geeky that way. I mean,
Not geeky
I
at
hope
all.
you don't mind.
That's cool knowledge.
So then we put all these things in, we whip it up, and with the magic of television, we have beautiful whipped egg whites.
Gotcha.
And so this becomes your marshmallow, right? Also,
I know, right?
For marshmallow, for sure, because this doesn't make it as sweet, and also when you burn the marshmallow...
And it looks really cool.
Look at that. Exactly. Yeah. And you can make little peaks and valleys, and you just burn that, and that's where you get your burnt marshmallow vibe. And who doesn't like to do this?
I love this. I have this at home.
Right?
I wish it was mine. She said, oh, do you make this? I said, no, but it makes me really sad I didn't.
But one less thing in the oven.
But I love this thing for creme brulee, for meringues. It's so fun.
One less thing in the oven, because people always ask me on Thanksgiving, how do I manage it all? How do I get it all to the table hot?
Yeah.
Right? You pop this in the microwave with the sweet potatoes, you top it with the meringue, you burn it, and there it is.
Boom!
Boom.
Drop the mic!